Welcome back, guys. We're going fishing at the reef. It's going to be a fucking fantastic day. The water is beautiful. We're going in Dino's boat. Say good day, Captain. Righto. Let's get the fuck out of here. Alright, well here we go. We've just pulled up, first spot. Just going to do a little test drift and see what happens, see what way we're going. It's fucking beautiful out here. Have a go at that. No pressure or anything, mate, but we just want like a 3 metre flatty.
Bust ups everywhere too.
So step number 1 is to stay hydrated. So I'm working on that now. Step 2 is catch fish. Feel like a flatty?
4 metres, I think.
Fuck. PB?
Yeah. Oh, got a 6 metre one day. Same spot.
So if you want to know where this fishing spot is, guys, I'll show you. Ready? There it is there. The ball bag just fell off. Do you reckon fishing in Crocs makes you a better fisherman?
Yeah. Suspension.
Yep. I've got some too, but I've gone the traditional Australian style, like the G-string look.
Oh, I like to be fully covered.
You got to work on that redneck tan.
Them 3 metre flatties they buy, eh?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Where's my dildo?
That helps being pink too, I suppose.
Yeah. No one will steal it.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know.
I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red.
I could run through the fire.
Have a go at the fucking sunset.
Horrible, isn't it?
Terrible. So my rod might be a little bit underpowered here. I don't know if you can see the curve in that bastard, and that's just with the fucking sinker on it. So we'll see what happens there.
Later that same evening.
We're on. Got a bit of size?
Yeah, a bit bigger than that cod anyway.
Where do you turn this light on?
Third one down.
How deep's the water here, mate?
53 metres.
You calling a flatty?
Yeah, at least a 5 metre-y. Something must be up its ass.
Fuck off, sharks.
You see them or not?
Nah. Holy fuck, it's a horse. Holy shit.
Horse?
Yeah.
Fucking bait.
Fuck you. That's a fucking tank.
Can you pull me dildo off?
Sure.
Oh, you do that so well.
I've been eyeing it off all night.
Oh, you're only human, eh? That's alright, I don't mind sharing with the boys.
Yes. That's legit.
Oh,
Shine some light over here for a sec. How big's that, you reckon?
oh no, there's his heart, look.
Oh, fuck.
See, resus. No, it's not him. We
Oh.
lost it.
Fuck him. You gonna eat it?
Nah, I'm not that hungry, eh? I'll wait for back on something else.
Prefer KFC?
Uh,
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna eat it either.
oh. Come on, you said you read them tough where you
Yo, beauty! One in the bank.
one in the bank.
All right, I've got to rig up my headlights so we got a bit of live action. You on?
Was. Fuck, that was a good fish too. 4 metre flatty, that fuck up.
That one. Oh, come on.
Too hard, not too hard.
Little whiting rod. Let's go.
Yeah, don't like the chances.
Oh, come on now.
That's it. Pump 'em wine. Pump 'em wine, baby. Oh, fuck with some wine and that in. Oh, pump 'em wine. Keep going. It took like 3 kilometres of line at the start.
Probably back at Saunders boat ramp.
Here it comes, coming up. Line's going out the way. Spun us right around too. Keep going, come on. Nearly there. There it is, look at it. Look at the size of it. That looks like, oh no, big Chinaman, is it? Yep. Oh no,
Fuck off.
big China. That's why the shark didn't grab it.
Fuck is that behind it?
His bubble.
Oh. Oh. Fuck yeah. Fucking hell. That's putting the wind up me. So sharks don't like them?
No. Dirty fuckers.
It's red, but
Yeah. It's a shit red.
shit red.
You be right to lift that or what?
Fucking hand in there.
You got him?
Yep. Holy fuck. Oh.
Yep.
Fucking hell. There you go. Big Chinaman.
Chinatown.
So no good for nothing?
Nah, bait, but we don't need it.
Yeah, right. So you throw that back.
Yeah, he'll swim away eventually.
That's sad. It's
Yeah,
a fucking big fish.
yeah.
Oh well. Righto.
Just don't throw him in, just plonk him in, like let him in. You know the sharks don't eat them, but less noise the better. Go hard, eh?
Fucking oath they go hard.
Yeah.
That's good.
On your brim rig. There he goes.
Off to piss off someone else another day.
Don't shine no light in the water just yet.
We're on. Trying not to attract sharks.
Bit hard. Big spangly.
Ooh,
Oh, just lipped him too, look at that.
nice.
Hey. Yeah, it's okay.
You're right, calm down. You're only gonna die.
He must have just left a gangbang or something. Bit dirty.
Busted arsehole. Nice. How's that?
Fuck that green thing coming out of his ass.
Well, it wasn't me.
Sure?
Yeah. I'm not gonna say it on camera. Have a sleep in the bucket, champ.
Yeah, we'll be right with you.
All right. Well, that's 2 plus my shit one.
Did you catch something?
Yeah, that horse. You know, put your 2 together,
Oh,
about the
stop.
same size as mine.
Yeah, right.
All right. Shit's getting serious now.
Oh yeah.
Well, this one's a lot easier.
Yeah.
I'm only on 4-pound line.
Yeah. Fucking sinker's 4 pounds. We got colour yet? Oh, we got colour. It's a nanny. Keep going, bud. Look at him. Easy, good to go.
That'll do.
That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Oh, I just dropped him.
I'll drop you. You see?
Yep.
There we go. That's a bit better.
About
Boys and
time.
girls, fucking oath.
Nice.
Largemouth nanny.
Look at the mouth on it.
Fuck yeah. Beautiful. First one of these I've ever caught, ever. Thank you, sir.
No worries.
That is fucking dinner. Well, there we go. Now we got 3 in the bank. Fucking marvellous. Magic mix.
Don't tell anyone.
I won't tell anyone. Only like the 23 people that watch this video.
You got that many?
Yeah. Moving up in the world, bro. Here we go. We're on, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit of technical difficulties.
Typical.
Should be a nice toadfish, I reckon.
Yeah, big whiting, I reckon.
Whiting, yep.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, not bad.
What do you want me to grab, mate?
You just want to touch my fish.
Yeah. Gonna need a bit of intimate time with that thing. That's nice, mate. How long you reckon? Do you have a measuring fucking device?
Surely do.
What are we going here?
Fish there is 77.
Fucking beautiful. That's the shit. Go to sleep, mate.
Sorry. Won't hurt for long.
Yeah, you'll be right. Stealth mode.
Stealth mode. Some UFOs don't see us.
Yeah. I've got my armadillo helmet on.
They make one that big.
Yeah. So what's the plan? Just cruise back up here, shut him off, drift back,
Drift back,
kill some
get
fish.
a couple more, do it again.
Yep. Do
We're
it
going a
again.
bit slow now, top of the tide, outgoing tide. Try and stay away from the taxman.
Yep, we don't like him.
He's here. Is it a horse? Not bad. Fuck is this? Big trevally.
Come on, let's see some colour. Another nanny, you reckon?
I don't know. It's fighting like it. I've got your. Oh.
Holy fuck! I'm on too!
Fucking China.
Holy shit, what the fuck am I gonna do here? Holy fuck! Look at this shit! This is in the fucking rod holder. I've got the camera in one fucking hand. Grab that. You gotta hold on to both bits.
Have a go.
Oh fuck!
Can you get it out?
Yeah, I got him.